Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to a quick guide on making that wobbly, colorful dessert we all love, Jello. It's an incredibly easy process, perfect for a sweet treat or a fun family project. All you really need is one box of your favorite Jello flavor, some boiling water, a bowl, and a little cold water. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring your Jello turns out perfectly jiggly and delicious every time. It's a classic for a reason. Okay, step 1 is all about getting your water ready. You'll want to measure out precisely 2 cups of water. Pour this into a kettle or a saucepan, then heat it on your stove until it reaches a full, rolling boil. This very hot water is crucial because it helps the Jello powder dissolve completely, preventing any grainy texture in your final dessert. Make sure it's bubbling nicely before moving on. Now for the fun part, dissolving the Jello. Very carefully, pour that boiling water into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Then, open your Jello packet and add all the colorful powder directly into the hot water. Grab a spoon and stir vigorously for at least 2 minutes. You want to make absolutely sure that every single crystal of Jello powder has completely dissolved. It should look clear, with no granules remaining. Once your Jello powder is completely dissolved, it's time to add the cold water. Measure out another 2 cups, making sure it's nice and cold. Gently pour this cold water into your Jello mixture and stir everything together thoroughly for about 1 minute. This step is vital because it brings the temperature down, which helps the Jello start its setting process properly. Now, it's almost ready for the fridge. Now for the final and perhaps hardest step, patience. Carefully pour your Jello mixture into your chosen serving dish or individual molds. Place it gently into the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 4 hours or even longer until it's completely firm and jiggly. Once it's perfectly set, your homemade Jello is ready to be cut, scooped, and enjoyed. What a simple, sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.